What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you more examples regarding higher roots and how to simplify roots with exponents. The first example is the cube root of x to the power of 18. Answer will be x to the power of 18 over 3, which will be x to the power of 6. In other words, we can say x to the power of 6 to the power of 3 will be x to the power of 18 because we need to multiply these two. So the cube root of x to the power of 18 is x to the power of 6. Next example is b to the power of 8, and we are looking for the fourth root of b to the power of 8. Answer is b to the power of 8 over 4, which will be b squared. Next example the fourth root of y to the power of 12. The answer is y to the power of 12 divided by 4, which will be y cubed. Next example is the cube root of z to the power of 15. Answer will be z to the power of 15 over 3, which is z to the power of 5. Next example, square root of u to the power of 20, and we are talking about square root. The answer is u to the power of 20 divided by 2, which is u to the power of 10. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding square roots and other topics in math and science. Thank you and have a great day.